Hello everyone. Today I'm explaining my COVID-19 prediction or reporting project. So first, let's start from basically this is my overview image of my project. So in these first you can see here like this. These basically we are getting our data from a remote uh, server or basically from from website. So we will use the HTTP and so we have to create a HTTP connector for that. And second one is like we will take data from our blob storage. So we have to create blob storage for that. So after that, here ingest section. So ingest section we will use Azure Data Factory, and after that we will store our data from both the sources to Azure Data Lake. And another section is like a transform or analyze. So we will do this thing into Data Factory. So in Data Factory we will do transformation from three different platforms. First one is like a data flow. Second one is like a cluster, and third one is like our database. And after that, we will store our data into SQL database. And after that, we will publish data. So we will next use our data factory pipeline for that, and we will after connect this Azure Data Factory to Power BI to publish our data. So let me move on Azure portal. So yeah. Here first I'm showing my data set for this. So here you can see I have a like so you can see here I have a four different folders for data set like a process, row, SQL, and lookup. So basically now we will work on row. So row is basically a data which I'm getting from a HTTP website or our blog storage. So first one is like yeah, this one like a DS population underscore rata uh, row underscore DZ. So yeah, so I'm showing this thing like first I create a link service for this. So like a link service is ls underscore a blog underscore COVID report reporting essay is my service name. And here I give a path of a particular container from which I want to basically which file I want to transfer from my blob storage to data lake. And here is like a comparison type of this file, all that. And here is a schema. So I don't have that. So here I show basically how to basically a setting of data set for blob storage. And after that, we will move to our pipeline. And so basically pipeline is PL ingest underscore population underscore data. So here you can see I use activity like validation activity for that. So first I give a name to this activity like check if the file is exist or not. So it will show me first I give a name. After that, it will check like dset. Here I give data set like dh underscore population underscore row underscore uh, g set. So it will check uh, this data set. So basically, this data set is linked to my Azure Blob storage. Basically, Azure Blob storage a container which is basically contain my population data file. And yeah, after that, I use another activity which name is like get metadata. So you can see here activity like I also use the same data set for that. So take, it will get data from that. Okay. So next one is like if condition. So in if condition, I also will give a same data set, and you can see uh, my condition like like for true, like I uh, basically create a copy population data activity. So here you can see uh, my source is like DZ the population row underscore DZ dataset, which is basically linked to my blob storage, which contain file like population data. And after that, here is my another data set like a DAS population by age DSC. So this is basically data set which I created for data lake storage. So I can show that one. So if my condition is true, then this file will copy from my blob storage to a data lake container. So I'm showing my data set by age. So you can see here, like yeah, it is LS, ADLS, COVID reporting TL. So it is basically a link service which is created for data lake storage. Here I give my container location where I have to save this file, and if I debug this pipeline, then it will store my data from blob storage to Azure Data Lake. So I'm showing that one. So here is my storage account. So in this I have a file like a population, insert and data. So I'm storing this thing into Azure Data Lake. Like the raw data, and here is population. So it's like population by age. Yes. So we will stop our first video from this section only. Thank you.